Today I want to start off with my face. I already moisturized and primed my face with a Too Faced primer that I always use. And I'm going to use this Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation in golden beige. This one right here. I have a long time I don't use this, so I want to use this. It has a little spatula. I'm going to use this sponge from Real Techniques. It's a body and face sponge. I forgot to wet it to damp it, but I'm going to just use it like that for today. My Tarte concealer to conceal my under eye and brighten them up a little bit. I'm in medium honey. To set under my eyes and set my entire face, I'm gonna use this Sweet Peach from Too Faced setting powder. Now I'm gonna take this Tarte Clay Play palette to bronze up my skin and do a little bit of contour as well. So I'm gonna apply this to my cheekbones and around my forehead and near my nose too. For blush, I'm gonna use this blush from Tarte. Now I'm gonna take this Anastasia Soft Glam palette and I'm gonna show you and demonstrate you each shadow that I will use on my eyes. Just follow along and it's very easy and simple eye. It's a very easy eye look And I'm just taking the brighter shade right there that I took and just applying that to my entire lid and just brightening up my eyes. I took that warm tone shadow to just identify my crease and warm up a little bit that section of the eyes like that. It's more identified and more smoky. Just remember to do lots of blending like that. The line is not too harsh, and I like how it looks because it's very simple and warm, but at the same time, your lid is still bright. You're gonna see that I will apply a liquid eyeshadow, and it's gonna look very, very nice. Now I'm gonna take the same palette from Tarte and get that shade to darken up the eye look with more of a gray undertone. Now we're gonna take this Stila glitter shadow. It's so nice. I really, really, really like these Stila little liquid glitter shadow. They are my favorites. They apply very, very nice to my eyelid. Now I'm applying the glitter. It is so nice and easy. This is the easiest look I have created. As you may see, it's just applying it. I just applied it a little bit to the middle of my lid. Trying to air dry it a little bit like that. It doesn't smush to my other section of the eye. Now I'm gonna take that shade and apply it to my inner corner to highlight them and to my brow bone as well. But that's all brightened and set. Now I'm just blending everything out that everything is smooth and blended. And I'm also gonna apply the same eyeshadow that I applied to my crease and eyes to my lower lash line and blend everything out like that. Everything is put together and is united. Just blending. Now for the brows, I'm gonna use this Anastasia Brow Wiz in dark brown, and I'm just gonna brush them out first and then fill them in a little bit and just keep them natural. I really like my brows to be natural and looks natural as well. I'm just applying the product to my brows and then brushing them out as well again. Now that the brows are done and completed, I'm gonna go with highlighter, and this is from Becca highlighter and Rodeo Drive, one of my favorite highlighters. I'm just gonna apply it to my high points of my face, my nose, and my cupid's bow and my cheekbones to highlight and make it glow. I really like it because I could just add a lot if I want to, or I just can keep it subtle and light, which is my favorite. I really, really like this makeup look. It really looks very nice. I feel like it looked even better in person. I'm really enjoying this makeup look for a night out or day night out or whatever event you want to go to. I feel like it's pretty, 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 pretty. Now to line my lip, I'm gonna use this NYX lip liner. I will link everything down below of every product that I used. It will be down in the description box. So just look down there for any product you think you'll like. I use this lip liner from NYX, and I'm gonna use this Kylie Cosmetic Cocoa Collection liquid lipstick. Is matte. It's one of my favorite, and I think it looks great for this look because it's a neutral color. Knowing that my eyes are already pretty dramatic, it looks very nice. After setting my face with a little bit of my Rependesco spray, I'm gonna use this Lancome mascara. It's my favorite. It's the Big Monsieur Big. It gives me a lot of volume, and it's and it is very black, and which I really, really like. That is all, everyone. I hope you guys enjoy this look. This is very nice and simple, but with some dramatic eyes going on. I really, really love this look and enjoy filming it for you guys. This is everything. Everything will be linked down below in the description box. And thank you so much for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.